In this video I'll explain how to fix the Whirlpool Dishwasher error code F4E3 and what this warning actually means for your appliance. This error usually points to an issue where the wash motor is not running correctly, which affects proper water circulation during the cleaning cycle. A simple first step is to turn off the dishwasher, unplug it or cut power for a few minutes, and then restart it, as a reset can sometimes clear temporary control glitches. If the code returns, inspect the spray arms, filters, and pump area for food debris or buildup, since blockages can prevent the motor from moving water efficiently. It's also important to make sure your dishwasher is filling properly and that the water inlet valve isn't restricted, because low water flow can trigger this code. When these checks don't solve the issue, the wash motor itself may be failing or not receiving power, which often requires professional diagnosis and repair. In some cases, wiring problems or control board faults can also cause F4E3 to appear. This code is more of an alert than a complete shutdown, giving you a chance to troubleshoot before calling a technician, especially if the unit is under warranty. Subscribe now for more clear, no-nonsense repair guides that actually help.